Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to talk about these rain guards for your BMW E34. I do want to mention I did find this product and I just went ahead and purchased it. I did want a solution. So sometimes though one of the windows just doesn't close right, and that is due to a window clip that I need to replace, and I will be doing that. But I wanted to install these and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here they are, and let's go ahead and try them out. Let me just check if it does have an alcohol wipe, and these are going to be stick-on. Let's go ahead and install them. You do have 3M tape on the back. So make sure you take your alcohol wipe that you get and make sure to really clean the rubber part really well, because you want that 3M tape to stick really well, and if you do it correctly, it will last you a good while. Now just make sure you clean it, let it dry, and then you go ahead and install the rain guards. Also, just go ahead and peel a little bit of the 3M tape and then start adjusting the rain guard in the position that you want to install it. Now make sure that you do this, because if you just take off the backing, it's just going to stick and it's going to be difficult to remove. Once the tape's removed, just go ahead and press firmly against the edge. That way you can secure the rain guard. And that's pretty much it. You're going to go ahead and repeat the same step for the other windows. So it is definitely a very easy install. And let's go ahead and see the final result. Now I do want to mention that I don't think it'll be enough with that one wipe that is included. So I went ahead and used my own alcohol just to make sure that I cleaned the surface really well, because I want that 3M tape to really stick. I just went ahead and peeled it from the back like that. I went ahead and cleaned it. Alcohol used. So let's go ahead and stick it on there. So these will do for right now. I'm not going to keep these forever. I'm going to see how long these last. I'm going to be honest here. It's kind of separating from here. It didn't get to stick on there, so I'm not sure. I might put an extra 3M piece right here, 3M tape piece. So as you can see there, it's a little separated, so I'm going to use some more 3M tape on here. But like I said, I'm just testing it out. It should definitely hold for a good while. You can see right there's a little bit of spacer, so I'm going to be testing these out, see how long they last in the heat and the elements. And I'll be taking this car out once in a while. It is a daily, so it'll be tested. See, on this side, it's actually on there. I'm not sure if it's the way I installed it or what happened, but yeah. Anyway, we'll be keeping an eye out on them and update you guys on this product. Well, that concludes the video. Catch you on the next one.